Hi, this is Anita at WannaBee Chef. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you some tips on how to do spaghetti squash. Let me turn it down. This is what a spaghetti squash looks like. It's actually a great substitute for somebody who's on a no-carb diet, and you can eat more vegetables and at the same time eat spaghetti. So it's a very simple, nice, easy vegetable, and it's a great time of the year in the fall. Of course, you could be seeing this at any time of the year, but since it's fall here in New Jersey, I'm going to show you spaghetti squash. So all I did is cut off one end of it. Let me hold it up to show you so that I can keep it easy on my cutting board. And all you do is take your knife, get a nice big sharp knife, and go through your spaghetti squash and cut it in half, okay? So this is actually the hardest part is doing this. And once you can get through this, you're on your way to doing a good recipe with spaghetti squash. So today I'm gonna show you this in my favorite appliance, the Instant Pot, okay? So this is a little hard to do, so I'm just gonna be pulling this through like so, okay? And sometimes if you need to like take a meat mallet or something tough to pull it down, and I'm just gonna get that. So here we are with our meat mallet on the spaghetti squash, and we just like hit it down so that you could cut it in half and make your life much easier instead of like struggling with it, okay? Because it's almost like banging down on a bone or, you know, any kind of something really hard. So this makes it a lot easier, as you can see. Hit it down with the meat mallet, and there we go. Once you're at it, that's it. Split it in half. There we go. That's what it looks like on the inside. And here we are. So all you do is take a spoon, take the seeds out. You don't need to take out anything else but the seeds, okay? As you can see, I'm just scraping out the seeds with a large spoon. That's my 1/2 done. There we go. So even if a few seeds are left in there, don't worry. We're going to steam this anyway. And we're going to steam it in our Instant Pot. And while I'm at it, I'm going to just cut this down the middle. And now like half of it is already cut, so it's going much easier to do. There we go. So I have this cut in like 4 pieces like this. I'm going to remove the seeds on the other half. Okay, so this really is a great way to make spaghetti from a vegetable. Okay, there we go. And a lot of people don't use it or buy it because they're afraid. There we go. So look at that. Now I'm all ready with it, and the hard part is done. So I'm gonna pull over my Instant Pot, and you can see it better. I'm gonna pull it here. I'm gonna put like a cup of water. There we go, a cup of water. And I'm just gonna place this on my steam rack. So here's my steam rack that looks like an insert that actually comes with your Instant Pot. So I'm just gonna place that there and start by placing my spaghetti squash inside, like so. Let's hope all fits in. Oh, okay, just about. Let's see if we can put the lid on. Put a little bit of salt right there. Just some sprinkle. We're gonna put more salt later, so you really don't have to salt it all the way. And it's time to close my Instant Pot. Yep, closed up, that's it. And now I am gonna show you what I'm doing. Plug in my Instant Pot, and I am gonna press it on steam. And in mine, it's a default mode that the steam comes on high pressure for 10 minutes. And make sure your Instant Pot is sealed, and that's it. So I will show you a picture of this done after 10 minutes, and your spaghetti squash will be ready to season with garlic, with tomatoes, and a homemade marinara. And it's super simple. We're just going to scoop it off the skin once it's done and cooked and steamed. And you'll see how pretty it is. It's great spaghetti, and it's a perfect dinner with some other vegetables on the side, or some, you know, if you're eating meat, a piece of meat. But if you're a vegetarian like myself, then you could have it like make a mushroom steak, a tofu steak, a cauliflower steak, any of those, and with some spaghetti. So it's a great meal, and it's obviously very good if you're not eating regular pasta. So I'm gonna come back and show you when it's done.